Oh, here we are, Tuesday the 27th, about just before 2 o'clock. Still snowing. It's coming down fairly good, as you can see. I don't know what time it officially started, last night or early this morning, and it's really hard to gauge how much we've gotten because it's windy and it's really dry snow. But you can kind of tell. Just made my path here. Side of the garage. We'll walk out here and see kind of how deep it is. There's my picnic table right there. So it's definitely up to at least the bench. I haven't looked at the radar lately. You know, last I looked it was supposed to snow pretty good. Heavily until 7 p.m. so potentially another 5 hours of this. Luckily the cars don't have a lot of snow on it because, like I said, it's windy, so it's not really staying on the vehicles all that much. But you can see the bed of my truck is full. A little walkway that's probably going to be buried here soon. Woo. Snowbags from the plow. Finally plowed the road. I don't think the plow came through until like 11:30, 12 o'clock. Finally, it's the first time. Neighbors been plowing their driveway like crazy. It is windy. Cleared the driveway for the first time at like 8 o'clock this morning. Chopped some kindling for the fireplace, for the wood stove. This is all the wood I have left in here now. It's this stack. But got about 3 stacks on the inside porch. Well, I don't even call it the inside porch, it's the unfinished room, which is next to the inside porch. The inside porch is full of snow. I had the shovelette, screened in porch. Got my snow tires down from the loft the other day. Snowshoes from some snowshoeing the other day. So there we are. In that wind go. Whew. Crazy. So this is gonna clear out totally by tomorrow morning, and then we'll take a break Thursday. We'll still have some snow showers tomorrow. Take a break Thursday, and then they said another storm Friday afternoon into Saturday, and then another storm early next week. You know, so you have the potential of having a whole shitload of snow on the ground come next week. So my snowblower is only good up to 21 inches, so it's like I gotta keep making my paths for the dogs and out to the compost, or, you know, if it gets over that, then I'm gonna be shoveling it, and I certainly don't want that. Here's my inside porch. All the snow that I shoveled off. So that's it for now, folks. Just wanted to check in. Hope you guys are well and warm. Be safe.